Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your iPhone. Make sure FaceTime is enabled and your iOS is current. Once done, decide whether you want a global FaceTime sound or a per-contact custom tone, because FaceTime uses the system ringtone unless a contact overrides it. Now open Settings and tap Sounds and Haptics, since this is where the system ringtone lives. You're beginning the only practical method. Change the system ringtone for all FaceTime calls or assign tones to individual contacts. I'll show both. Now you change the sound. To set a global FaceTime ringtone, in Sounds and Haptics tap Ringtone and select or buy a tone from the store. This becomes your FaceTime alert. Alternatively, to target one person, open Contacts, pick the contact, tap Edit, then Ringtone and choose a custom tone. FaceTime respects that contact setting. If you use custom files, sync them via Finder or iTunes as tones first. These two approaches are the functional choices because there's no separate FaceTime-only ringtone setting. Finish by testing. Place a FaceTime call to confirm the chosen ringtone plays. If it doesn't, make sure the contact entry used for FaceTime matches the number or email actually called, then toggle FaceTime off and on and restart the phone. Also verify focus or do not disturb isn't silencing calls. If you used a custom tone, ensure it's properly synced and selectable in ringtone. These troubleshooting steps fix the usual issues when the system or contact ringtone doesn't take effect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.